Hi everyone. Gusto lang ako i-share ang akong opinion aning what's happening in the Congress now. All I can say it's a bullshit. Because sa Senate, they already exposed who those congressmen who were having kickbacks from the flood control projects. And now, Congress is doing it. Congress is doing it to attack again the Senate, mentioning Senator Jinggoy, Senator Villanueva. And here's the funny thing. Gigamit na po nila ang usa ka district engineer as their witness kuno. As far as I know, Congress is known to have a paid witness with fabricated, scripted na testimony. You are known for that. And here comes another engineer who deny those allegations, who stand up against that allegation of that district engineer. Ang yawa nga abante. Yang gipastap. Kay kuno, that engineer is not telling the truth. He is not telling the truth because it is not aligned with your script, abante. By the way, ano nakakadiha sa Senado? I mean, sa Congress, nga, wa maka nakadaog. Oh, an appointed son of Comelec? Abante? You don't have the right to speak in Congress because you are not voted by the people. You are not given the mandate. And yet, ipa-disqualify rin mo imong kalaban. Anyways, and telling that the witness or the resource person is not telling the truth. Who are you? So you have the monopoly na ikaw lang, you have the monopoly to tell to the people that you know the truth. My God! Why you take these people as resource persons kung ikaw raman din nakabalo sa truth? Something fishy is going on. And I quite remember well, si Colonel Grijaldo, diba? You're trying to manipulate his statement. Same thing pa rin, abante? The same scenario? I hear you out, abante. You are one of those corrupt na mga congressmen na sumasamba kay Saldico at saka kay Martin Romualdez. A twisted story in Congress to cover up ang sala ni Romualdez ug Nico. Kay ngano makakwarta na pod mo? How many millions again will be released sa imong pagdepensa kanila? Ikaw na ba karon ang ilang abogado? Abante. Ha? Pasi magyawyo na pug ka because giatake ka. Magyawyo na pud ka kay people are saying bad things about you. Of course, we have the right to speak up because we are a taxpayer. We have the right to speak up on our own opinion. Kasi na kay plano nga ipatawag ko nimo sa Congress. Kay nasakita na pud ka. Kay naghatag na pud ko sa kong opinion. Kay hilaran na nako sila ni Joey Cruz. 'Di ba? Abante. Kilala na namin ang iyong linyahan. And you are very obvious kung sino ang sinasamba mo. Kauwaw. Kakahiya ka. Tinuring ka pa namang pastor, pero hindi ikaw para sa Panginoon. Hindi ikaw para sa katotohanan. Kundi isa kang huwad na pastor. Sa ngalan ng pera, ng posisyon, sa ngalan ng kasakiman at korupsyon. Ikaw yun. Hindi ka na nahiya. Hindi ka na nahiya talaga. Dami mo ng kasalanan. Dami mo ng kasalanan sa bayan. Saan ka kumukuha at humuhugot ng kakapalan ng mukha, Abante? And you Congress people, you congressman na sobrang kakapalan ng mukha para magnakaw sa kaba ng bayan at maghirap ang mga taong bayan. Sana kayo na lang ang nalunod sa baha. Sana kayo na lang ang inanod ng rumaragasang baha. Kawawa ang Pilipinas dahil sa inyo. Kawawa ang Pilipinas. Mga buwisit kayo.